Cryptocurrency users based in the UK and France will soon be able to purchase and sell XRP for fiat currencies. This was announced by the official Twitter account of Xumm Wallet, which is implementing on- and off-ramp solutions in its XRP Ledger built app. Such functionality has recently become available to users in the Netherlands. Before I continue, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on daily XRP videos. Xumm teamed up with BTCDirect and BanxaOfficial to offer the product and says it will add more countries to the on- and off-ramp over time, and that more third-party providers will also soon be integrated. Xumm adds that it will also soon integrate with GateHub for its stablecoins. XRP seems to be at a crossroads. It appears to be across the heart of each brief and longer-term levels. The 42-cent house is a powerful house of resistance. It has constantly acted as its resistance and is strengthened since past due July, and is a place the 150 DMAs live. It will likely be a combat to get again above this week, despite the fact that Friday's US inflation knowledge surprises to the disadvantage and lifts macro sentiment. XRP would possibly smartly stay caught inside of contemporary levels till issues turn out to be clearer as to how the Ripple versus US SEC case goes to shake out subsequent year. Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch our other videos to know more about XRP and Ripple.